Hey everyone, hey, how you been? How is everybody? Oh my god, it's like been so long. I'm sorry, I am so tired. I just finished working on Saturday. It's my first day working back in the office on a Saturday in a long time. I don't even remember the last time I was working a Saturday, but I am finally able to adjust my schedule where I can make my videos again. So I'm happy to be here. So welcome back. If you are one of my faithful subscribers, thank you so much for staying and always waiting for me and showing me some love. I love you guys. And if you are new to this channel, welcome. Today's gonna be an unboxing of a few products that I got. I got these two from Amanda. I'm gonna put her information down below as well. And this one is from Maniology. So I have been wanting to buy a stamper for so long because I bought one before, but years ago, and it was from the beauty supply store. It was cheap as hell and didn't work for nothing. So I saw Kristina Kouture nails. So she did a video on her purchase of this, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it. So I got this. And then my homegirl Amanda, she has her own Etsy shop. She has so many good things over there. Oh my god, I'm gonna show you what I got and some goodies that she sent me. So let's just get into this. So I made two different purchases with hers because I don't know, I saw it real quick and then I was like, you know what, I need more. Let me get some more. So this was my second one actually. This was my first one. I so love this picture. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Oh my god. So this is her. Like, it's all pretty. I'm gonna put all her information down below. Okay, and then this was my first. Oh my god, this is so cute. So I got some stones. So look at this skull right here. There we go. Okay, you see that skull? Oh my god, it's so cute. I got a few of them. Okay, so I got the skulls. I love these little gems. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but I still love these. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at these. Aren't they cute? Oh my god, those colors are so beautiful. So I got those. I got some crowns. Look at this. I got this crowns. They're so cute. I got these little pink teddy bears. Oh my god. You're gonna hear me say cute so many times. Look at this. Isn't that so cute? I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. And then I got these little, I don't know what's wrong with my camera. Like, honestly, I need to learn how to do this camera setup because it's freaking annoying as hell. Like, I don't know whether to put it to manual or like just autofocus, but then it doesn't make sounds when it autofocus, but just I see it afterwards. I try to look at my screen and it's just like, sometimes I just don't notice it. Look at these little hearts. They're so cute. I thought I had something on my elbow. So, comment down below. How is everybody doing? I miss you guys. I miss being here. So this is gonna be the unboxing, and then I'm gonna go right into. I'm gonna be recording my Valentine's Day nails because I have a collaboration coming with my homegirl Chemistry Nails. She's gonna be coming out with a video that I chose a nail design for her to do, and she chose a nail design for me to do. So I'm gonna be recording those. That's gonna come out next week on the 12th, Saturday the 12th. Okay, look at these. These are so cute. Okay, come on, focus. Okay, look at these. I love that. Anything that has like that chrome iridescent, I'm like a sucker for that shit. Hey. Don't be flying away. And then last but not least is this, what do they call these? I think they're like, not mylar strips. I'm confusing my dental with this, but it is similar. But these strips right here, I love these. Like I saw Lizette do this nice set where she used like her foils, but she cut them out into like pieces like this. But it was something like this iridescent look, and that look came out gorgeous. I so want to try that look she did. So this is what I purchased, and then these were the goodies she sent me. Oh my god, I love you, girl. Oh my god, these goodies are so beautiful. So with these, I don't know, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put these on nails. I think I'm gonna put these, I'm gonna make like an earring set or something with these, because these are just too gorgeous. I'm gonna take one of each so you can see it. Oh my god, the texture on it is so cute. It's like a gummy bear. It's just a gummy bear, but look at this. Aren't they so cute? Look at that. Oh my god, I'm like so in love with all her stuff. It's so cute, right? I was thinking maybe make some earrings, because you know I do a little jewelry and stuff, so I was thinking maybe make some earrings. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna see what I'm gonna do with these, but I got those. She sent me these. I love this. This is so cute. It's got some seashells in there. Seashells. And these stone colors, I love it. I can't wait to play with these. She gave me some purple hearts. These are so beautiful. Some more, but like micro of that. Like, can someone please bring me back to like these products, please, and correct me and tell me what this is again, please. But this is like a mini one of those, like micro ones. These are so cute. I can't wait to start like doing encapsulations and stuff like that. This I love. These black ones with this color here, oh my god, it's gorgeous. And then this one here, if you know me, you know I love black, so anything black that's my favorite color. So, and then if you're one of those that say it's a shade, okay, shade, color, tomato, I love black. So this is nice. I like this. And then this is like a Christmas set here. I love the snowflakes, and I love the colors of the stones. So pretty. Okay, so on her shop in Etsy, it's called Split Identity, and then she has so many other different things, so many things, so you need to go and check her out. Like, she's the bomb. So that was on this one, and then this was the second one. So this was what I ordered, and then this was the goodie bag she gave me. And there goes her bomb picture again. Oh my god, I'm gonna like frame these. So the ones I ordered these cute spiders, and if you know me, I also love Halloween. Everything Halloween, all the time, all day, every day. I love me some Halloween stuff. Look at these spiders. Look at how cute. Aren't these cute? Look at this. The colors, they're so gorgeous. This for sure I'm gonna use on some nails. And then I have these, I bought these pink stones. I thought they were so cute. Look at them. I can't wait to play with all of this. And then I got some more skulls. Yes, I love me some skulls. Skulls and bones. All that, butterflies, mermaids, all that good stuff. So I bought these. Don't mind my nails, I don't have nothing on. I've been lifting boxes, cleaning out shop. Look at this. So pretty. And they have like that, the same like texture of the gummy bears. So cute. Come on. Next up, oh my god, these are really big. I'm thinking I'm gonna do something else with it. Obviously, I don't think I'm gonna put these on my nails, but I'm gonna definitely do like maybe some earrings or a necklace or something. But look at these skulls. Look at how beautiful. These are freaking hot as hell. Look at these. So good. So, and with the skulls, I also got these bones. That is the same, and they're glow in the dark. What? These are so hot. So look at these. You see? They're so cute. I love it. I love it. So I'm thinking of making these into like a set of earrings with the necklace, something like that. We'll see. We'll see what I come up with. Because yeah, I think these are too big for me to put on my nails for myself. But I mean, I'll be seeing some big charms up on nails and stuff. So Hey. And then last but not least, my rainbow. Look at this. I love these. I could do so many different things with these. Like, I just saw them and I was like, nah, they're probably too big. I can't do nothing with it. But I know they're soft. They're not so hard. So I know I can do things. I'm probably gonna do earrings with these for sure. But I might like connect it. I might like make long ones like these and then like chain them up together and then do either 3. Yeah, I think 3 or more. If not just 3, like that. And then I might just cut them and see if I could use them in other things. But yeah, we'll see. And then from that purchase, I got some more goodies. Oh my gosh, she like spoiling me. I love that. So this has a few, these are like Valentine's Day stuff. This is so cute. I wish the set that Chemistry Nails got for me to do for the Valentine's Day video like had stuff like this, but I don't know, maybe I might incorporate some things or just maybe do a different nail design too, like do like another one, do 2. So this is some Valentine's Day stuff in here. This one has some stars, it's different colors. I got some more of the gummies. I got another pair here. I love this orange, look at this. Like that, has a little chunky, a little dust ones. So cute. And then I got these. I don't know, I think these are ghost. I thought they were pandas at first. And then I was like, no, I think they're ghost. They're so cute. And then this has some flowers and some beads. Another cupid in there. And then this other one has some more beads, some like confetti, pearls, moon, clouds, so pretty, stars. I can't wait to play with all this stuff. So I'm so excited to do a lot of different creations with all this stuff. I still have a lot of things coming with that box that Lizette gave me. Oh man, it's coming, it's coming. We had a little lapse in time because I ended up having to do this bigger work project that I had going on. But now that that is all and done, now I'll be able to have time to come back to y'all. So let me know what y'all want to see. If not, I'm going to be posting whatever I want to post. And then we're going to take it from there. So that was from Amanda. Okay. She has her Etsy shop. She's a beauty influencer, a makeup artist. She's got all her information here. She has her Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Okay. So I'm going to put all her information down below so you can go and follow her and go check out her shop. Okay. Now I'm gonna get to this Maniology. So it's just gonna be the unboxing, but obviously I can't wait to put this to test because this is like something I've been wanting for a very long time. So they sent a little sticker. I don't know why this one didn't come with one of these cases. Maybe because it was on clearance. You know me, I was trying to buy everything that was cheap. So I was like, let me try it out first. So I didn't buy like the stampers separate or one of those ones that come with like, I guess one of the separate stampers. I'm not really sure. Like they have different sets of these, but this one was on sale because it was the Christmas one. But I like the colors that it came with, so that's why I got it. Plus it was cheaper. So, and it comes with everything. So it came with the gold and the red, which I like those 2 colors. So it came with this gold and this red. Right? Pretty. Okay. It comes with the little scraper. It comes with the round stamper. And I've been watching their videos. I've been writing to them, ask questions, because I'm like, listen, I hope this is the one. So this is the stamper. This is the plate that comes with this set. So it's all Christmas. And then it tells you here the guide on how to use it. I've been watching their YouTube videos on how to use it, so I'm gonna follow them step by step and make sure that I use it right, so that way I'm not saying, okay, it's a piece of shit or something, and you know, it's because I'm doing it wrong. So I'm gonna make sure I follow it correctly. This was the set, and then I bought 2 more colors because the gold and red, I like them, but I need some more colors. So my favorite, black, and you gotta have black and white. It's like the two main colors I think you need to have. Like, hello. I have some other regular nail polish colors, which I could do like when I tried doing the reverse stamping, where like you put it on the stamper and then you can paint on it and make it different colors. I can't wait to do that. And then I got this one, Halloween again, because it was on sale, and hello, I love Halloween. Then I got 3 more. This one is the kawaii emoji. I really don't know why I got this one. Like, I don't know. Honestly, like now that I was looking at it, I'm like, why did I get this one? There wasn't anything here that popped out on me. I know, like, obviously the nail polish, but I wouldn't put that on my nails, so I don't know. I guess, I don't know what I was thinking. I was trying to buy it quick. The Gypsy Soul. I love all of this. This is gorgeous. All of this. This is just so beautiful. So I can't wait to try this. I really hope it all comes out well and it works good. And then this is the Maniology Mary Tattoo Hawaii. The main thing that popped out was obviously fuck love. Like, yes, that is so cute. That's my thing. I love it. Nah, but all of this is really nice. I like it. So I can't wait to play with this. And then I got these. Hello, black. You guys get it now, and hopefully with this video you guys get my favorite color is black, and I love Halloween. So we covered that. And yeah, I wanted to use these because I have them in like the regular little diamond ones. I have a few of them actually, so just not this color, and I couldn't not get it. So, and that was it. So that's what I got from Maniology. I can't wait to try it out. And then all my beautiful goodies I bought from Amanda, and all my goodies she gave me. So we're gonna be trying out some of this stuff. I am gonna be trying this, but the next one is gonna be my Valentine's Day nails, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like this video if you love this content. If you want to keep seeing more videos, comment down below, tell me what you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, love you guys. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye. So another quick thing that I did purchase, I wanted to mention, I completely forgot, was this order here. So this is not, it doesn't have anything to do with nails or anything like that, but I did just wanted to put that I was using this in case anybody else has used it or has tried something similar, because I suffer from like really heavy flows. I have really bad cramps and stuff like that, and I've been researching better things than using tamps and pads and all that other stuff. So I've been hearing about this for a very long time, but I've been so like skeptical of it, and just like felt like I didn't know how I was gonna use it or if it was gonna work right. It's just too complicated. I don't got time for that. But I'm willing and able to try anything right now. So I was reading about some of the benefits of using something like this. So I ordered the disposable one, so I'm gonna try this out. If anybody has used something like this, please comment down below and let me know what you use, or if you've tried this, which brand, because after searching this one, so many brands started popping up, and I've seen so many different ones. Some are good, some are bad, you know, or some, you know, people had like, you know, different things to say about it. So some had positive reviews, some had more negative reviews. So this one, so far I saw everything was okay. So I'm gonna try them out. If the disposable one works well, then I'm gonna buy the reusable one, which is like $35–40, and you could use it for up to 10 years. You just keep washing and keep reusing it. So I figure that's gonna be a lot better in so many different ways than just keep using tampons or stuff like that. So this one is like the same. One of these flex discs hold 30 milliliters, like the same as 3 super tampons, which is good. It lasts up to 12 hours. So let's see. Some of the negative reviews I heard were like it still leaks, so you still have to wear a pad, which that would be so stupid. If it's gonna leak, it's like, what the hell's the point? But I'm assuming maybe because when it's already full. So I'm hoping it's like not that. I mean, I'm hoping it's that, because if it is full, then obviously you just change it. So they've had like people resulting of 60% of people with less cramps, reduced dryness and irritation, and it's hypoallergenic, body safe material, FDA registered. So I'm gonna try this out. If you want to know how it worked out or if everything works good, let me know in the comments, and I'll let you guys know how that went.